as I'm responsible for district operations management. But I want to indicate that we are very clear now, every one of us. We are clear that everyone who is in this room is an instructional leader. Everyone in this room knows how to support what is happening within the four walls of the classroom. There is no one who will say a circuit manager is not a specialist in terms of the pedagogy that happens within the four walls of the classroom. Because circuit managers, before they became circuit managers, they were subject teachers. They were departmental heads in their own schools. So if they visit schools, besides having to support schools in terms of the leadership and management, they go beyond that and also support curriculum management and delivery. But today, we are here to say, over and above what circuit managers are doing, what CSs, GET, FET are doing, we need to promote the issue of reading. I know that when we conduct our visits, our focus is on the goals that speak to curriculum coverage, and we find ourselves ignoring the critical area, which is the promotion of. They make sure that they conduct these visits in order to ensure that their schools perform maximally. I've already covered this slide, and I will move on to this one. Here we are highlighting the critical goals that you should be holding on a daily basis as you go to visit schools. So I've highlighted 9.9, which is goal 23 on school funding. Here I want to pause and say we are conscious as a system that our learners are not funded like what is happening in other provinces in terms of the national benchmark. But we are aware that our principals of schools go beyond the call of duty in ensuring that the resources that are provided in their schools are utilized maximally. And whilst we are here, we need to appreciate the role that is played by Director Umahlase, who is responsible for elites, because we understand that in our schools they do provide those mobile libraries, and it is our responsibility as a collective, including circuit management, to check whether those resources that are provided to our schools by you elites are maximally utilized, especially when you look at the timetable and check whether there is a reading period there. So the reading period might be there, but if the material is not there, so it ends up being a futile exercise. That is why it is critical that, and I've seen in the program, Mr. Sibisi will be given an opportunity to do a presentation on that. Then the critical goal 27 is the kind of support that we are providing to our schools as district officials. So all of us here, we need to ensure that as we go to schools to provide support, our support should be data driven. So we have different sources where we get data, which should be informing our interventions.